This 2019 Newmar Canyon Star 3927 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, a Excalibur Decor, Calypso Maple Glazed Hardwood interior, sleeps 8, awning, stove top burner, external shower, air conditioning, TV, slideout, refrigerator, leveling jacks, self-contained, TV antenna, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2019 Newmar Canyon Star 3927 and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.